Hi there, back on Dojo to show you how learners can hand in content that you have placed on Dojo from Google Drive. In our last video, we talked about how to take the document link and make it a copy link. So if you didn't watch that video, the overview is copy the share link, that's anyone with the link. Then you're going to come into the assignment, paste it, alter it slightly, take out edit to the right, and put copy, and then you assign that to your class. You want to make sure this is a text assignment because learners will place their link in the text response as a submission. So from the learner side, when you've done that in an assignment, they're going to come in and you see the learner screen here. They'll see the super awesome assignment that you have. Go ahead, they'll tap that and they see the copy link. Remember, we altered that so that the link automatically makes a copy. They're always asked for approval. Do you want to do that? They just tap make a copy. Now they have their own individual copy and they can go ahead and edit that. Now that they are done their work and it's perfect and ready to come back to you, they hit share and they just hit copy link. They're going to close that, start the assignment, and then they can paste the link there, handing it in to you. When I come back to the facilitator screen here, refresh the page, I'll see that I have a submission. So here's Beyonce's submission. I can go ahead and click that link she's submitted, and now I can view her work right here. Can also see that she's still there working on it, so I could actually watch that happen in real time. So that's how using the copy link makes a really helpful way to take away steps from learners from having to go to the file, make a copy, and it also allows them to very easily submit an assignment back to you through a template like the one that I've kind of mocked up here. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.